everybody, let's make it pop. It's Matthew Reinhart here, and we're gonna make a really fun, happy it's St. Patrick's Day. Oh my gosh, we're gonna make a Clover Petal card. This is a real simple little card that you can make. Oh, by the way, what do I say on St. Patrick's Day? Bayanak ni na Fhéile Pádraig. Okay, I'm trying to say it right. That means may the blessing of St. Patrick's Day be on you, but I'm not so good at speaking Irish. Anyways, all right, let's get started with our St. Patrick's Day Clover Petal card. Look, isn't this card cute? It's something fun to give, a little message to somebody you love on St. Patrick's Day. Look at that, it's so cute. All right, let's get started. What do? Well, we're going to download the templates down below. There's a link down below. You just download it, print it out onto cardstock or construction paper or whatever. We're not making any pops this time around, so we can use a little bit lighter paper if we like. What do we do first? We're going to score all the dotted lines, all the black dotted lines. Scoring, actually, we're making those fold lines work a lot better. So we're using a paper clip, a big old paper clip, and a ruler, or you could use a knitting needle if it has a rounded edge. We're just pressing into the paper, and that way it tells our paper where to fold when we need to fold it. Now let's use some scissors. Now make sure you use some scissors that you're comfortable with. If you're left-handed, use left-handed scissors because they're much easier to use, right? Whatever works best for you. And take your time cutting out along all the solid black lines on the templates. Just like this. Super easy. Chill. Take your time. All right, so once we've cut out all the pieces to our little card here, when I'm going around curves on my templates, when I'm making a card like this, sometimes I'll move the whole paper rather than moving my hand to follow the curves. Sometimes it's easier for me to actually move the paper, and we can follow those curves real well. And just take your time going around all those curves, kind of like driving. It's kind of like driving. You gotta take your time going around those curves, otherwise, shoo, Well, anyway, let's start decorating our Clover card. So we can decorate the front, the back. You can use markers, you can use crayons, you can use extra paper if you want to glue it on and do that. You can use stickers, all kinds of other stuff to decorate our card. And be sure to write a message inside. So the little square is where we're going to write our message. And then we're going to decorate the outside and do all kinds of stuff to make it really look special. Now we're going to take some glue, just regular old craft glue, and we're going to glue the square in the center of our main Clover card. Now, like I said, this is a simpler card. This is just something, I just thought it would be really cool to make a card that made a clover in the center. So we're going to glue that little message in the center. Look at that. And the reason why we're doing the little extra square in the center, because it'll make our card a little stronger. And also, then you won't be able to see any of our, what we've written on that message. It's a separate piece. It won't bleed through if you use markers. And then all we do is we fold over each of the sides. Now watch this. Now we put one through, and then the next, and the next. And look at how they sort of interlink there. And then at the center, you get a beautiful 4-leaf clover. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love doing like different kinds of cards that make this paper sculpts into something really cool. So I hope everybody has a great St. Patrick's Day this year, and I hope you've enjoyed making this Clover St. Patrick's Day card with me. Hey, this is Matthew Reinhart saying thanks so much. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and all that sort of stuff. And if you have ideas for new crafts for me to do, just let me know. All right, see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.